In 2025, secret travel gadgets are taking over the way we explore the world. Compact, futuristic, and insanely smart tools that most travelers don't even know exist yet. From space-saving essentials to mind-blowing tech that makes packing lighter, flying easier, and staying anywhere more comfortable. These gadgets are completely changing travel forever. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a weekend explorer, this list will surprise you with hidden gems you'll wish you had sooner. Get ready for 35 secret travel gadgets you didn't know you needed. Watch till the end for the ultimate travel upgrades. Number 1. 4 Monster Quick Dry Travel Towel. If you've ever stayed in a hotel, beach resort, or hostel and waited forever for a damp towel to dry, you already know the struggle. The 4 Monster Quick Dry Travel Towel solves that instantly with ultra-fast drying fabric that's lightweight and super compact. It fits easily in your backpack without taking space. Perfect for beach trips, hiking, or long travel days. It dries fast, packs small, and keeps your travel experience clean, simple, and stress-free anywhere you go. Number 2. FresKaro Double-Ended Wiregate Carabiner Clip. If your backpack, water bottle, or travel gear keeps getting messy or hard to manage, this tiny tool makes everything easier. The FresKaro Double-Ended Wiregate Carabiner Clip lets you attach essentials instantly. Bags, keys, hats, or bottles, right onto your luggage. No more digging or losing items at airports or during road trips. It's strong, lightweight, and incredibly practical for travelers who love staying organized. One clip can completely change how smoothly you move through your journey. Number 3. Osprey Ultralight Collapsible Stuff Pack. If you've ever gone shopping while traveling and suddenly ran out of space, this is your emergency solution. The Osprey Ultralight Collapsible Stuff Pack folds into nothing when not in use but expands into a full backpack when needed. Perfect for day trips, airport transfers, or extra storage on return flights. It's light, durable, and easy to carry anywhere. This bag gives you freedom to explore without worrying about overpacking or space limits. Number 4. MZOO Luxury Sleep Eye Mask. If bright airplane lights, hotel curtains, or early morning sunlight ruin your sleep while traveling, this mask changes everything. The MZOO Luxury Sleep Eye Mask blocks out light completely with a soft, pressure-free design that feels comfortable even during long flights. It helps you fall asleep faster in noisy airports or unfamiliar hotel rooms. Perfect for frequent travelers who value real rest. Better sleep on the go means better energy for your entire trip. Number 5. Trtl Super Soft Neck Support Travel Pillow. If standard neck pillows never actually support your head properly, you're not alone. The Trtl Super Soft Neck Support Travel Pillow is designed like a wrap that keeps your neck stable and aligned during long flights or bus rides. No more waking up with stiffness or pain. It's lightweight, easy to pack, and far more supportive than traditional U-shaped pillows. It turns uncomfortable travel rest into real, refreshing sleep. Number 6. 12 Wireless Audio Transmitter Adapter. If you've ever been stuck on a plane with outdated entertainment systems and no way to use your wireless headphones, this fixes it instantly. The 12 Wireless Audio Transmitter Adapter connects your Bluetooth headphones to airplane screens or older devices. No wires, no hassle, just seamless audio on the go. Perfect for long flights or entertainment-heavy travel. It makes your journey feel more modern, comfortable, and completely wireless. Number 7. Aecooly Slim Portable Fan. If you've ever felt overheated in airports, crowded trains, or hot destinations, this little gadget becomes your personal comfort zone. The Aecooly Slim Portable Fan is compact, rechargeable, and powerful enough to cool you down instantly wherever you are. It fits in your bag or pocket and gives you relief when you need it most. Perfect for summer travel or tropical trips. Stay cool, stay fresh, and travel comfortably anywhere. Number 8. LISEN Airplane Travel Essentials. If your phone dies mid-flight or cables turn into a tangled mess in your bag, travel frustration builds fast. The LISEN Airplane Travel Essentials keeps your devices charged and organized with smart charging accessories designed for travelers. It's compact, reliable, and perfect for long airport waits or flights. No more battery anxiety or messy cords. It keeps your tech ready so your journey stays smooth and stress-free. Number 9. First aid kit. If you're traveling far from home, even small injuries or headaches can become big problems without basic care. The first aid kit keeps essential medical items organized in one compact case for emergencies on the go. Perfect for road trips, flights, hiking, or international travel. It gives peace of mind knowing you're prepared for anything. Smart travelers don't just pack clothes, they pack safety too. Number 10. Quatish Travel Utensils with Case. If you've ever struggled with plastic cutlery or messy airport food situations, this simple kit makes eating on the go go much easier. The Quatish travel utensils with case includes reusable fork, spoon, and chopsticks neatly packed in a compact case. Perfect for flights, picnics, or hotel stays. It's eco-friendly, clean, and always ready when you need it. Small tool, big travel convenience, making every meal feel more comfortable anywhere you are. Number 11. COIDEA Waterproof Travel Drawstring Shoe Bags. If you've ever packed clean clothes only to find your shoes dirtying everything in your suitcase, you know the frustration. The COIDEA Waterproof Travel Drawstring Shoe Bags solve that instantly by separating footwear from your clothes with waterproof protection. Perfect for airports, hotel stays, or backpacking trips. They're lightweight, easy to pack, and keep everything hygienic and organized. No more mess inside your luggage, just clean, structured, stress-free packing every single time you travel. Number 12. TakeToday Collapsible Water Bottles. If you hate carrying bulky bottles through airports or tours, this gadget is a total space saver. The TakeToday collapsible water bottles fold down when empty and expand when you need hydration on the go. Perfect for long flights, hiking, or city exploring. It's lightweight, reusable, and easy to clip onto your bag. Stay hydrated without wasting space and enjoy travel days where your gear adapts to you instead of holding you back. Number 13. Baudini Mini Umbrella. If sudden rain has ever ruined your travel plans or soaked your luggage, this tiny umbrella saves the day. The Baudini Mini Umbrella fits easily in your pocket or backpack while still giving strong protection when the weather changes fast. Perfect for city travel, sightseeing, or unpredictable climates. It opens quickly and folds down small again without hassle. One compact tool keeps you ready for any weather surprise on your journey. Number 14. SkyConser Silicone Bottle Cover. If you've ever worried about shampoo leaks or liquid spills inside your suitcase, this simple accessory fixes that stress. The SkyConser Silicone Bottle Cover protects your bottles from cracking, leaking, or breaking during travel. It stretches securely around containers and adds an extra layer of safety inside your luggage. Perfect for toiletries and liquid storage. No more messy surprises when you open your bag. Just clean, secure packing every time. Number 15. MZOO Travel Pill Organizer. If you travel with vitamins, medication, or supplements but hate carrying full bottles, this keeps everything neat and simple. The MZOO Travel Pill Organizer gives you compact, labeled storage for daily or weekly doses. Perfect for long trips, business travel, or busy schedules on the go. It fits easily in your bag and keeps your routine consistent anywhere in the world. Organized health means stress-free travel every single day. Number 16. TakeToday Travel Bottles for Toiletries. If full-size shampoo bottles keep taking up too much luggage space, this is your perfect packing upgrade. The TakeToday Travel Bottles for Toiletries let you carry only what you need in refillable, leak-proof containers. Perfect for flights, hotel stays, or carry-on travel. They save space, reduce weight, and keep your essentials organized. Travel becomes lighter, cleaner, and way more efficient when everything is properly packed. Number 17. Carrefour Travel Size Mouthwash Packets. If fresh breath is hard to maintain during long flights or road trips, this tiny solution makes a big difference. The Carrefour Travel Size mouthwash packets are single-use and super convenient for quick freshness anytime, anywhere. Perfect for airport bathrooms, hotel stops, or after meals on the go. No bottles, no spills, just instant hygiene. Small packets like this keep you feeling confident and refreshed throughout your journey. Number 18. Remote Luggage Travel Cup Holder. If juggling coffee, passport, and luggage at the airport feels impossible, this clever gadget helps immediately. The Remote Luggage Travel Cup Holder attaches to your suitcase so you can carry drinks hands-free while moving. Perfect for long airport walks or layovers when you need convenience most. It keeps your beverage secure and accessible while freeing your hands. Travel becomes smoother, calmer, and far more manageable. Number 19. Foamin Paper Soap Sheets. If public restrooms or travel stops don't always have soap, this pocket-sized solution is a lifesaver. The Foamin Paper Soap Sheets dissolve instantly in water to give you clean, hygienic hands anywhere. Perfect for flights, hikes, or road trips where cleanliness matters. Lightweight and easy to carry, they fit in your wallet or pocket. Clean hands on demand make travel feel safer and more comfortable instantly. Number 20. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. If you're traveling to remote areas or unsure about water safety, this gadget gives you peace of mind. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter lets you drink directly from natural water sources by filtering out harmful contaminants. Perfect for hiking, camping, or international adventures. It's lightweight, portable, and built for survival-level reliability. Clean drinking water becomes accessible anywhere, making your travel experience safer, smarter, and more confident. Number 21. Forge Luggage Locks. If you've ever worried about your suitcase being opened or tampered with during travel, this small gadget gives instant peace of mind. The Forge Luggage Locks secure your bag bags with strong, reliable protection so only you can access your belongings. Perfect for airports, train stations, or hotel storage. They're compact, TSA-friendly, and easy to use. One simple lock can make your entire journey feel safer, more controlled, and completely stress-free. Number 22. Tone of Magnetic Selfie Stick Tripod. If you struggle to capture stable travel photos or group shots without asking strangers, this gadget solves it instantly. The Tone of Magnetic Selfie Stick Tripod switches between handheld and tripod mode for perfect shots anywhere you go. Ideal for solo travelers, vloggers, or family trips. It's compact, easy to carry, and sets up in seconds. Every moment becomes camera-ready, making your travel memories look more professional and cinematic. Number 23. Billion Luggage Straps. If your suitcase feels overpacked or you worry about it popping open mid-travel, these straps add extra security. The Billione luggage straps tightly wrap around your bag to keep everything compact and stable during flights or road trips. Perfect for long journeys or heavy packing. They also make your luggage easier to identify on the carousel. Simple gear like this protects your belongings and keeps travel stress way lower. Number 24. MZOO Travel Steamer Iron. If you've ever arrived at a hotel with wrinkled clothes before an important meeting or event, this gadget saves your look. The MZOO Travel Steamer Iron quickly removes wrinkles without needing a bulky iron setup. Perfect for business travelers or formal trips. It heats up fast and fits easily in your luggage. Fresh, crisp outfits instantly boost confidence, no matter where your journey takes you. Number 25. Dronewing AI Hidden Camera Detector. If you ever stay in unfamiliar hotels or rentals and worry about hidden devices, this brings serious peace of mind. The Dronewing AI Hidden Camera Detector helps scan your space for suspicious signals and hidden cameras quickly. Perfect for privacy-focused travelers or frequent Airbnb users. It's compact, easy to use, and adds a layer of security wherever you stay. Feeling safe makes every trip more comfortable and relaxed. Number 26. BagSmart Travel Toiletry Bag. If your bathroom essentials always end up leaking, scattered, or hard to find, this keeps everything perfectly organized. The BagSmart Travel Toiletry Bag has multiple compartments for skincare, grooming, and hygiene items, all neatly packed in one compact design. Perfect for hotel stays or long trips. It prevents spills and saves time during packing and unpacking. Organized travel starts with smart storage like this. Number 27. Compression Bags. If overpacking ruins your suitcase space or forces you to leave things behind, this is a total game changer. The compression bags shrink bulky clothes like jackets, hoodies, or sweaters to save massive space in your luggage. Perfect for long trips or cold destinations. Just pack, seal, and compress. More space, lighter bags, and stress-free packing make your travel experience much smoother. Number 28. AboveTech Portable Laptop. Lap desk. If working or watching content during travel feels uncomfortable on planes or hotel beds, this gadget creates instant stability. The AboveTech Portable Laptop Lap Desk gives you a flat, secure surface for your laptop anywhere. Perfect for business trips or digital nomads. It improves comfort and posture while working on the go. Productive travel becomes much easier when your setup travels with you. Number 29. Zenicum Foot Rest Hammock. If long flights leave your legs tired and uncomfortable, this small accessory makes a huge difference. The Zenicum Foot Rest Hammock attaches to airplane trays to elevate your feet for better comfort and circulation. Perfect for long-haul travel or economy flights. It reduces strain and helps you relax more easily in tight seating. One simple setup can turn a painful flight into a far more comfortable journey. Number 30. Jeff Dye Inflatable Travel Pillow. If standard travel pillows feel bulky or uncomfortable to carry, this inflatable version solves everything. The Jeff Dye Inflatable Travel Pillow gives you neck support when inflated and packs down super small when not in use. Perfect for flights, buses, or train rides. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to adjust for comfort. Better rest on the go means arriving at your destination feeling more refreshed and ready. Number 31. Wakako Portable Espresso Machine. If you've ever been stuck at an airport or hotel craving real coffee instead of overpriced or low-quality options, this gadget is a total game changer. The Wakako Portable Espresso Machine lets you brew rich cafe-style espresso anywhere using just hot water and ground coffee. Perfect for early flights, road trips, or camping mornings. It's compact, easy to use, and delivers strong flavor on demand. Your travel energy stays high because great coffee is always within reach. Number 32. Barefoot Caribou Hair Tools Travel Bag. If your hair tools always end up tangled, damaged, or taking too much space in your luggage, this solves the chaos. The Barefoot Caribou Hair Tools Travel Bag organizes organizes straighteners, curlers, brushes, and cords neatly in one protective case. Perfect for hotel stays, vacations, or business trips where you still want to look your best. It keeps everything safe, compact, and easy to access. Travel styling becomes smoother, faster, and far more organized. Number 33. VM SDR Vacuum Seal Bags for Clothing Travel. If packing clothes always fills your suitcase too fast, this is the ultimate space-saving hack. The VM SDR Vacuum Seal Bags for Clothing Travel compress bulky outfits like jackets, sweaters, and pants into compact sizes by removing excess air. Perfect for long trips, winter travel, or heavy packing situations. You instantly create extra luggage space without leaving anything behind. Smarter packing means lighter bags, easier movement, and stress-free travel every time. Number 34. CSCOSDDI Coffee Travel Mug. Spill Proof. If coffee spills in your bag or car have ever ruined your travel mood, this mug fixes that frustration instantly. The CSSCOSDDI Coffee Travel Mug Spill Proof is designed with a secure lid that prevents leaks even during movement. Perfect for commutes, flights, or road trips, it keeps your drink hot, safe, and easy to carry anywhere. No mess, no stress, just smooth sipping throughout your journey. Number 35. Raricus Portable Neck Fan. If hot weather, crowded airports, or long walks make you feel uncomfortable while traveling, this wearable fan is your personal cooling system. The Raricoa's portable neck fan sits around your neck and delivers hands-free airflow wherever you go. Perfect for sightseeing, hiking, or summer travel. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and keeps you cool on the move. Staying refreshed becomes effortless, making every travel experience more comfortable and enjoyable. Thanks for watching 35 secret travel gadgets you didn't know you needed. 2025. Which gadget blew your mind? Comment below, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more viral travel tech, Amazon finds, and smart packing essentials.